The Powerhouse Media Group, along with Minister Mark Benjamin, presents The Voice of a Many, The Sound of One on Sunday, July the 27th at 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon, located at Glory to Glory Christian Church in St. Louis, Missouri. A fundraising effort to develop the Canvas of Life Media Arts Center. Artists helping the youth so that the youth can later return the favor. For more information, please make sure you visit www.colorthecanvas.org. Stop by, believe in the change for the youth for today.